Hey friends, welcome back. If I tell you that many channels got monetized just by uploading AI puppy videos, and channel like Annie Mahal has gained over 4 million plus subscribers by uploading only 151 shorts. And it's not just one channel. There are many channels like this growing super fast. All of these channels are monetized. Let me show you a quick demo video first.
Good puppy. Eat up, eat up.
And now, I'll show you step by step how you can also create these viral videos using free AI tools. In this video, you will learn how to find a viral story, how to create consistent AI characters, how to generate images, how to turn images into videos, and how to edit like a pro. So watch till the end, because this is a full masterclass. The most important part of these videos is story. These videos look simple, but there is a hidden psychology behind them. There are two main tricks. Trick 1. Start with a sad emotion. At the beginning, show something emotional. A poor puppy with no food. People making fun of him. Someone hurting or ignoring him. This creates curiosity plus emotion. People think, what will happen next? And they keep watching. Trick 2. Show a struggle story. Now in the middle, show a real-life struggle story. For example, a tea seller, a student, a worker. Show their daily hard work step by step. This creates a strong emotional connection. Ending equals viral formula. At the end, always show a happy ending. The puppy becomes successful. People respect him. He proves everyone wrong. This gives satisfaction to viewers. And they like plus subscribe. This is the viral formula. After finding a viral story, the next step is to make images for each scene with the same character. Now let's create consistent character using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and write, cute, small puppy, realistic, emotional face. Generate one image. This will be your main character. Now upload the same image again in Whisk AI, then write prompts like, puppy is sitting alone in rain. Puppy is searching food. Puppy working hard. Important. Always use the same reference image. This keeps your character consistent. Create multiple scenes, like 8 to 12 images, which have sad beginning, struggle scenes, hard work, success moment. Make sure all images are in 9:16 ratio. Now we convert images into videos using Flow AI. Open Flow AI, upload your image. Write simple prompts like, puppy is sitting alone in rain. Then click generate. In 10 to 20 seconds, your clip is ready. Do this for all images. You will get multiple short clips. Now download all video clips. Now final step, editing. You can use CapCut or any editing app. Import all clips in order, then increase the speed slightly, 1.5 times. This keeps the video fast-paced and engaging. Remove watermarks from clips. Simply zoom in your clip slightly to hide the watermark. Make sure to adjust framing carefully so the main subject stays centered and looks natural. Then, keep your clips short. Each clip should be around 3 to 4 seconds. Remove all unnecessary footage. Only keep what adds value to your video. Add transitions. Use simple fade transition. I am using stretch slide transitions. Add sound effects. Very important for viral videos. Examples: crying sound, laughing sound, victory sound. Add background music or link is in the description. Download the all sound from there. Yeah! Viral tips. First 3 seconds must be emotional. Keep video fast-paced. Always tell a story. Use strong ending. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.